Welcome to CarZone 2024, where today we delve into the exterior of the 2025 Hyundai Tucson, a standout in the SUV segment with its striking design and advanced features. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2025 Tucson, its bold, contemporary look is immediately apparent. This SUV showcases Hyundai's latest design language, characterized by sharp lines and an aggressive stance. The front end is dominated by a new, dynamic grille that seamlessly integrates with the sleek LED headlights, which feature a distinctive design that enhances both visibility and style. Moving along the sides, the Tucson boasts an athletic profile with sculpted body panels that create a sense of movement even when stationary. The pronounced wheel arches are fitted with new, eye-catching alloy wheels, available in various sizes and designs, adding to the vehicle's robust presence on the road. The rear of the Tucson is equally impressive, with its elongated LED tail lights and a streamlined tailgate, which not only improves aerodynamics but also provides a sophisticated finish to the SUV's design. Hyundai has also introduced a range of exterior color options for the 2025 Tucson, allowing you to personalize your vehicle to match your taste. The color palette includes bold, vibrant hues as well as more subdued, classic shades, ensuring there's an option for every preference. Additionally, the new Tucson is equipped with advanced features such as a panoramic sunroof, which enhances the overall driving experience by allowing more natural light into the cabin and providing a more open feel. The 2025 Tucson's exterior design is not just about looks, though, as it's also engineered for optimal performance and efficiency. The vehicle's aerodynamic profile reduces drag, contributing to improved fuel efficiency and a smoother ride. The integrated roof rails offer added practicality for carrying extra cargo, whether it's for a family road trip or a weekend adventure. Hyundai's attention to detail in the Tucson's exterior design reflects its commitment to creating a vehicle that is both visually stunning and highly functional. The 2025 Tucson sets a new standard in the compact SUV category with its combination of advanced design elements and innovative features. Thanks for joining us on this detailed exploration of the 2025 Hyundai Tucson's exterior. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to CarZone 2024 for more in-depth reviews and automotive content.